look at that line of,
oh my god!
I can't even say it.
Good eye, bro. Gophers.
Gophers. Did you see that?
Jesus.
A fucking line.
Damn, that was... The fuck was that?
Lock the video.
Jesus Christ.
Lock the video.
Video locked.
God damn,
Jesus
man.
fucking Christ, I thought he was gonna fucking move over.
And he's in a fucking dually.
Sorry, man, I got you covered. I was about to just put us in the fucking ditch.
I'm down for it.
Me too, I don't want to get hit.
No, dude. That's...
Did I touch you? I think I went like this.
You did.
But I'm still...
No, it was comforting.
What a fucking cunt.
But dude, I'll take a ditch.